This video is going to show you how to install the TinyFilter extension to Chrome. So the first thing you want to do is come up to this corner here where it says Apps, and you want to go into the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you just do search up here for TinyFilter. Press enter, and it's going to appear as in one of these extensions. Now, I've checked all three extensions and they all seem to be exactly the same, do the same thing. So I recommend probably just going with the parental control and anti-porn version. Clicking on that, so we click add to Chrome, then we click add extension, and you'll see the extension will pop up here. There's some information that you can read through. It's also got a bit of advertising in there by the looks, so don't click on download. This just gives you a bit of extra information on what features it has and how it works. So and terms and conditions, so read through that. Once you're all set up, you can click on the little shield up the top here, and it says block this site, trust this site, so you can instantly block or trust a site that you're looking at, or you can go into options here. Here we are on the TinyFilter extension dashboard. So we'll look at how to do things on here. Firstly, we'll look at the content filter. You've got blocked sites, you've got blocked keywords, and you've got trusted sites. I recommend, if you want to block further sites, use the blocked keywords to block sites that you do not want your children on. Advanced settings, you can record a message in here, or you can redirect. The other part of this, and probably an important part here, is your being able to enable a password, so your children can't go in and change or disable any of this. So to do that, you've got to enable it and then click set password, enter your password once, verify OK, and that will mean every time you click up here you'll require a password, thereby securing your account so only you can change the settings and not your children. That concludes this tutorial. I hope it was helpful.